How to connect phone to car Bluetooth. You'll want a simple way to listen to your music, podcasts, audiobooks, and other content in your car, given the diversity of audio entertainment options on your phone. So, let's learn how you connect a phone to a car via Bluetooth. Start pairing with the stereo in your car. On the stereo in your car, begin the Bluetooth pairing procedure. This procedure differs from car to car and is occasionally grouped with the hands-free calling system. The system could ask you a few questions before prompting you to finish setting up your handset. Go to the setup screen on your phone next. Choose Wireless and Networks from the Settings menu on your Android phone. Open the Bluetooth Settings submenu on your device. Check the box next to Bluetooth. Then choose Bluetooth Settings from the submenu to confirm that the Bluetooth antenna is turned on. Choose your stereo from the list of available devices. You will find a list of Bluetooth devices at the bottom of the next screen. Locate and choose your stereo from the list. Input pin. The pairing process will be finished after you input the pin, which may differ from stereo to stereo but is typically 0000. Enable media. If necessary, it should say connected to phone and media audio in the Bluetooth devices list. If not, press and hold the stereo's name until the contextual menu appears. Choose Options, and manually allow audio streaming by ticking the box next to Media. You're good to go on your car stereo. Choose Bluetooth audio as the source. And utilize Bluetooth to wirelessly listen to your MP3s and internet streaming radio stations. If this video was helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.